One of the best things about the Triton Studio is that it has a loop function. That it's very easy to implement and it's very easy to add them to your songs and loop your entire song if you'd like. If I start with track 1, I make sure that I go to my play loop pad, right? Within the sequencer, I can record something and have it loop pretty easily just by going to this and hitting it and selecting which measures I want to record. So if I start with track 1 and record a hi-hat or record a sound, to repeat that sound, I can just go into the play loop mode, highlight the first track, and select which tracks how I want it to loop. So I'm going to have it loop after the second bar. So play for the first bar, be silent for the second bar, and come back on the third.